And Cavaliers and a whole over the two leg. What's your impression of the team?
Uh, about the team, they are a very young team, but with good players, very good players. I think they have a good future and they have potential. Um, and about Jamaica, we have been here for a short time, but was really nice to be here because it's a country that I didn't know. So the people treat us very nice. So happy to be here.
Question over here.
In the first leg, I realized that the Cavalier team was pressing, but you were able to manage it a little bit. Got a 2-0 win. Again, same thing, got a 2-0 win. Is it that the objective never changed, the tactics never changed, or is it that you had to adjust a little bit?
No, we needed to adjust because in Miami they created us uh, too many problems in transitions. So we tried to today to adjust marking in attack and in the open wheel up we try to do better. I think we did. So I'm happy with the level that we could show today, and I think we gave a step forward.
Here in the middle. Go ahead.
Jordan for TV Sports. Lionel Messi didn't start. Tell us what went behind that decision and what did you make of the level of his play once he came on?
No, well, we knew that Leo wasn't playing for the last 3 4 games, so obviously we wanted him playing, but we need to know and to find the moment to 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 send him to the pitch. I think was good because he felt very good in the pitch. He could score. In Jamaica could see him. So great night for everyone.
Over there on the left. Go ahead.
You could see that the same style from previous first game. Here with stuff Cavaliers from the transition also position of the ball. And did think as a very fast team, a great kind of chance.
Yeah, we could see in Miami a team that they did really well in transition when they regained the ball and playing direct. They created us too many problems in the first game. I think today we were much better in the organization, go to defend, controlling the game, don't be in a hurry to attack. So that was uh, good, and I think we felt comfortable into the pitch because we didn't have to miss or too many miss or too many lost balls in attack. We find the right moment to attack, so that was the key for the game.
Question here.
So Robert Williams, coach. Both legs ended 2-2. How difficult, from your perspective, was this Cavalier team going up
No,
against
no.
you?
I started the press conference telling tell you how difficult for me or how good was Cavalier in Miami. They have too many pace in front with the young guys, but they are good running to the space. So we needed to control this because it's not was going to be difficult for us to do or to play a good game. So we could controlling the counter attack, and that for me was the key of the match. No, don't give them space to run.
Last question in the middle. Go ahead.
Coach, Rose from Northeast TV. First time into Miami playing a team from the Caribbean. Speak to me about, say, comparison the aggressiveness of teams from the Caribbean or compared to the teams from the MLS.
No. You can find different teams. I think today or in these legs, we could see how difficult it is when you play against a team that have too many pace in front or players that they are very fast in front. So you have to control that. Maybe we knew how Cavalier played in the league. We could see the Caribbean Cup, how they won the final, running to the space and trying to make some counterattacks. So for me, from the beginning, we knew that we needed to control that.
Perfect. Thank
Okay.
you. That concludes the first
Thank
round.
you.